A great warm welcome and a big cheer to you all cruisers as we are back once more to our popular Cruise Hive news updates. Thank you for joining us today as we proceed with a further 5 stories, as Carnival Vista still not fixed as speed issue continues. We have Royal Caribbean orders another giant Icon class ship, as well as Celebrity Cruises ship impacted by Typhoon, and Carnival's XL class to visit upgraded private island and more. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Cruise ship port calls to Ketchikan in Alaska are proceeding as planned after a tragic landslide on August the 25th, which resulted in the death of a local resident and damage to several homes. Ketchikan, a popular stop on Alaska cruise itineraries, remains unaffected in terms of cruise operations. Norwegian Cruise Line and Royal Caribbean have confirmed no changes to their schedules. The landslide, which occurred in the White Cliff neighbourhood, has not impacted shore excursions, and the port of Ketchikan continues to welcome cruise visitors as planned. Carnival Cruise Line has announced that its 3 XL class ships, Mardi Gras, Carnival Celebration and Carnival Jubilee, will call at the upgraded Half Moon Cay in 2026 and 2027. These ships, each accommodating up to 6,500 guests, will offer 6 to 14-day Caribbean itineraries from Miami, Port Canaveral, Galveston and Baltimore. Enhancements at Half Moon Cay will include an expanded beach, additional dining options and a new pier. The ships will also visit Celebration Cay, a new private destination debuting on Grand Bahama Island in the summer of 2025. Royal Caribbean Group has ordered a 4th Icon class cruise ship from Finnish shipbuilder Meyer Turku, with delivery expected by 2027. This ship will follow the first Icon class vessel, Icon of the Seas, which launched on January the 27th of this year and is the world's largest passenger ship, home-ported in Miami. A second ship, Star of the Seas, is set to debut in August 2025, followed by a third in 2026. The agreement also includes options for 5th and 6th vessel. As Typhoon Shanshan approaches Japan, Celebrity Millennium has adjusted its itinerary to ensure passenger safety. The ship, on a 12-night cruise around Japan, departed on August the 19th and visits Kobe, Osaka, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Originally scheduled to visit Kagoshima on August the 28th and Shimizu on August the 30th, the ship will now spend those days at sea, with a new stop in Hakodate on August the 29th. This change, announced on August the 27th in Jeju in South Korea, is a precautionary measure to avoid the storm. The Carnival Vista continues to suffer from speed-related technical issues, affecting its current 8-night Eastern Caribbean itinerary. The ship, which entered service in 2016, embarked from Port Canaveral in Florida on August the 24th, has experienced delays at ports including San Juan, Puerto Rico and Phillipsburg in St. Martin. Despite repairs, with the issues first starting recently on August the 4th, the ship's speed problems persist. Guests were notified of the changes and received a $50 onboard credit. The ship is expected to return to Port Canaveral on September the 1st. The issue's resolution remains uncertain, impacting future sailings. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.